Okay, this a very important video for Crispy Stix. I'm going to show you how to leverage the QGen to get your stickers done for you and sent to you to your email address without you doing a thing. So basically, you're just going to put in your two-word prompts, your 3 or 2 word prompts. I don't know, you can put up to 100, and then you just click generate, and you just leave. You can close your computer. You can do whatever you want. You go off, live your life, and within a couple hours, all of your stickers are going to hit your email inbox. So you open it up, you can pick and choose the ones you want. Check this out. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to put a cute cat. I'm going to put in what is a Kate? Cute cat. Let's put in funny dog. Let's put in uh, little elephant. So we have a theme of animals, right? I'm going to put in one more. I want to give you a little example right here. Um, Pretty bird. Why not? And then we're going to slide on down here and click next, like that. If you want to put a style, you can. I want to keep it at none. And then if you want to put particular styles for any specific prompt, you can. Okay. And then I'm going to go here to give this cue a name. I'm going to call it funny animals. Okay. For outline thickness, I like to keep it at default. Auto upscale. Okay. And click Q generations. Okay, so I'm back here. I got the email. I really didn't check how long it took. I put in my request and I went out for the day. I'm sure it didn't take that long, maybe 40 minutes or so, but this is hours later and I got my email. So you view your stickers, it takes you to your page and boom, there you go. I got my pretty bird, my little elephant because he looks little, right? Funny dog. I got my cute cat. And I can do whatever. I can. By the way, if you don't see your stickers appear, just reload this so that it clears your cache and allows you to see your stickers, just in case. Mine didn't have that issue. Stickers just appeared as they are. Okay, really cool. So all you want to do, if you want to apply a different outline, you can do that. They already have the outline, as you can see. If you want to add them to your gallery, you can do that as well. Everything you need is right here. So let's click on. Let's click on save. Okay. And now it's saved to my gallery, right? So if I go to my gallery, just for example, and of course I show you how to use the gallery in other Crispy Stix videos. Okay, so here I am in the gallery, and like I showed you in past videos, this is where the magic happens. I can add text, I can add different outlines, all sorts of really cool things. Okay, see you in the next video.